Why do some people draw everyone in? Have you ever met someone who lights up a room without even trying? People smile when they walk in. Others want to talk to them. They seem calm, confident, and easy to like. Highlighting these habits can help your audience see how they can make others feel appreciated and valued, encouraging them to try these behaviors. The truth is, they are not using magic. They are using simple habits. And the good news is, you can learn these habits too. If you enjoy videos about personal growth, confidence, and building better relationships, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now let's talk about the simple behaviors that naturally attract people to you. 1. Share a real and honest smile. A real smile is powerful. People can tell when a smile is fake. A forced smile feels uncomfortable, but a real smile makes others feel safe and welcome. When you smile naturally, people see you as friendly and kind. You do not need a big, dramatic smile. Just a soft, warm smile is enough. If someone doesn't smile back, don't take it personally. Keep practicing and stay positive. 2. Be proud to be yourself. One of the most attractive things about a person is being real. When you are genuine and comfortable being yourself, others relax around you, even if you're still learning social skills. You do not need to act cooler, smarter, or more successful than you are. Just be honest about who you are. People respect someone who is not afraid to be real. 3. Use strong and gentle eye contact. Eye contact shows confidence. When you talk to someone, look at them while they speak. It shows you care about what they are saying. You do not need to stare. Just hold eye contact for a few seconds at a time. Then look away naturally. Good eye contact builds trust. It tells others, I see you. I hear you. 4. Truly listen, not just hear words. Most people listen just enough to reply. But attractive people listen to understand. They pay attention to the tone of voice. They notice body language. They hear feelings behind the words. When someone feels heard, they feel important. And when people feel important around you, they're drawn to you. Try asking follow-up questions. Say things like, that sounds exciting, or, that must have been hard. It shows you care. 5. Lift others instead of talking about yourself. No one enjoys being around someone who only talks about their own success. Instead of bragging, focus on others. If someone shares good news, celebrate with them. If they worked hard on something, notice it. Say something kind and honest. Genuine praise makes people feel valued, and they will remember how you made them feel. 6. Ask questions and show interest. People love talking about things that matter to them. Ask simple questions like, how did you get started with that? What do you enjoy most about it? What made you choose that path? When you ask questions, you shift the attention away from yourself and toward them. It creates a connection, and connection builds attraction. 7. Show gratitude often. Show gratitude often. When you thank someone for even small things, it fosters feelings of warmth and kindness. Your audience will feel inspired to express appreciation, creating a positive cycle of connection. Gratitude is magnetic. When you thank someone for even small things, it shows humility and kindness. You can say, I appreciate your help. Thank you for taking the time. That really meant a lot to me. Even people watching from the side notice gratitude. It shows maturity and emotional strength. Grateful people are pleasant to be around. 8. Offer help when you can. Kindness always stands out. If someone is struggling, offer support. If you have a skill that can help someone, share it. You do not have to solve everyone's problems. Even small help matters. When people know they can count on you, trust grows. And trust makes people want to stay connected to you. 9. Keep an open mind. Attractive people are open to learning. They do not quickly shut down ideas. They listen, even when they disagree. Being open-minded shows growth. It shows maturity. It shows confidence. You can say, that's interesting. I never thought about it that way. You do not have to agree with everything. But being willing to consider another point of view makes you easier to talk to. 10. Stay calm and positive. Energy is powerful. If you complain all the time, people may feel drained. But if you stay calm and hopeful, people feel peaceful around you. It does not mean you ignore problems. It means you handle them with balance. Positive energy attracts people because it feels safe and steady. 11. Respect personal space and boundaries. Attractive behavior also means respect. Give people space when they need it. Do not interrupt often. Let others finish speaking. Respect shows emotional intelligence. It shows you understand comfort levels. When people feel respected, they relax around you. 12. Be consistent in your actions. Trust grows from consistency. If you say you will call, then call. If you promise help, then show up. People are drawn to those they can rely on. Consistency builds a strong reputation. And reputation attracts the right people into your life. 3 simple actions you can start today. Now let's make this practical. Here are 3 easy steps you can take this week. Action step 1. Give 3 honest compliments. Choose 3 people this week. Notice something real about them. Speak it out loud. Action step 2. Smile at 1 stranger today. Start small. A warm smile can brighten someone's entire day. Action step 3. Offer your talent to help someone. Think about something you do well. Ask friends or family if someone could use your help. Small actions lead to big changes. Attraction is about connection. Attracting people is not about being perfect. It is not about looks, money, or popularity. It is about how you make others feel. When you smile, listen, appreciate, help, and stay real, people feel safe and valued around you. And that is what truly draws people in. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more simple lessons on confidence, mindset, and personal growth. Share this video with someone who wants to build stronger relationships. Remember, being attractive starts from the inside, and you already have what it takes.